Have you ever had such an experience? I want to do something, but forget it in a few minutes. This is very annoying. Some people's memory deteriorates when they are very young. In fact, people's memory is not constant, it is closely related to people's age, mental state, living habits and so on. Therefore, many factors in life can lead to the decline of personal memory. Share a few foods that can significantly improve your memory when you eat them regularly. 1. Peanuts. Peanut is rich in lecithin and brain phospholipid. It is an important substance needed by nervous system. It can delay the decline of brain function, inhibit platelet aggregation and prevent cerebral thrombosis. Experiments have proved that frequent consumption of peanuts can improve blood circulation, enhance memory and delay aging, which is a real longevity food. 2. Pineapple. Pineapple contains a lot of vitamin C and trace element manganese, and fewer calories. Regular consumption can make people energetic. Some people say it is a fruit that can improve people's memory. Pineapple is often the favorite fruit of some musicians, singers and actors, because they have to recite a lot of music scores, lyrics and lines. 3. Eggs. Brain activity and memory are closely related to the content of acetylcholine in the brain. Experiments show that the magic of eating eggs is that the rich lecithin contained in the yolk is decomposed by enzymes, which can produce abundant acetylcholine, which can enter the blood and quickly reach the brain tissue, and enhance memory. Eating 1 to 2 eggs a day can provide enough choline to the body, which is also the 8 essential amino acids needed by the human body. It's good for protecting the brain and improving memory. 4. Pumpkin. Pumpkin has a sobering effect, can treat dizziness, upset, thirst and so on. So people with symptoms such as neurasthenia and memory loss can eat pumpkin cuisine every day, which will play a very good role. 5. Coffee. Drinking coffee in the morning can refresh the brain and make it work more efficiently. Drinking coffee after learning new knowledge helps to enhance memory and strengthen the process of memory. 6. Milk. Milk is an almost perfect nutrient. It is rich in protein, calcium, and amino acids necessary for the brain. Calcium in milk is most easily absorbed by human body and is an indispensable important substance for brain metabolism. In addition, it also contains vitamin B1 and other elements which are very beneficial to nerve cells. A cup of hot milk before bed can help you fall asleep if you use your brain excessively and suffer from insomnia. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I will post more similar videos.